Hey guys, Ginger Squatch here one more time. Yeah, let's hit the light. That way we can actually see in here. This time it's my workstation. Well, I don't know. It's a monster. It is a rather rare and a bit old ASUS L1N64 SLIWS. It's the first board, the one that used the FX74 or 70 series of chips. It's only got 4 RAM slots, but it says that it can take up to, I believe it was 16 gigabytes. But I'm going to be putting a Type B BIOS in it because it will allow me to use the pair of Opterons, what are they, 2347s, I believe, or 2343s, I can't remember, but at any rate, it will be, instead of 2 dual cores, it will be 2 quad cores, at which point I will have 8 effective cores, 8 or 16 gigs of RAM, an old, what is that, ATI HD 4870 for the video card. Actually, this fan here I'll be switching around. And here is the way that you can tell that this was the evaluation unit. Because when you put the side panel on, one thing that stands out. Now, this armor case, if you bought it outright from Thermaltake, it had a very large fan that sat right here. Single fan. Now, with the technical evaluation unit, it came with these fan ports directly over and feeding the 2 AMD FX 74 processors. So yeah, I wanted to get rid of the power chomping monsters that they were, even though for what they were, they did absolutely awesome. Their performance was absolutely insane. But, yeah, at 125 watts each, it was a little bit hurting on the electric bill when I would fire this thing up. Not to mention, when it runs, it sounds like a jet engine getting ready to take off because of the amount of power it used and the heat. And the fans would just spin up and sound like it was getting ready to take off. But yeah, my storage, 1, 2, 3, 4, what is that, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I actually have 8 hard drives in here. I thought I only had 7. Interesting. Yeah, solid state for boot. But yeah, and another strange thing about this one is, if you were to try to go on eBay, you can no longer find the motherboard or the case or most of the components that made it up. That's a bit odd. But the thing is it still works. In fact, it works rather well. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next run.